Imagine going to school for 5 weeks and coming out with real life skills that can change your confidence, your career, and even your future. That's exactly what happened to me on YouTube. Hi everyone, I'm a nurse practitioner and creator of University of YouTube. Welcome to the University of YouTube series. In just 5 weeks of creating content, I have learned so much skills that I didn't expect to learn. And today, I'm going to start sharing them with you on YouTube University series. Why this matters so much? Because lots of people, including me before, thought that YouTube is just about posting videos and where people go to search for information. And all those that are creating content are being rewarded with money that are being paid by YouTube. But what if I told you it's actually a place where content creators grow, learn new skills, follow the world trend development, and learn to be disciplined with consistency. As a healthcare provider, being a content creator for a few weeks have taught me so much skills that are helping me to create better educational content for my patients that keep them engaged while learning to advocate for their health. The new skills from content creation improve the way I communicate, educate, and how I present myself to the people. This is not just content creation. This is what I call personal development. Let's start with awareness number 1. You don't need monetization. One of the biggest things I realized after starting is this. YouTube can change your life even if you are not monetized yet. Most people think the value comes when you start making money. But honestly, the truth is the value starts the moment you begin. Because in just 5 weeks, I have learned skills I never had before. I learned how to create my channel, how to design my thumbnails that attract attention, how to learn directly from YouTube itself, how to create content that can change people's lives from YouTube skills. Do you know that I created and posted my very first video from YouTube skills? The skill itself that I learned from YouTube. This may sound simple, but they are powerful. Because these skills you can use anywhere, in your job, in your businesses, and even how you present yourself to the world. So don't wait for money to start. Start for the growth. The growth itself, the skills can motivate you. Awareness number 2, the algorithm guides you. The second thing I learned surprised me. The YouTube algorithm will guide you. When I started, I already had an idea of the niche I wanted to focus on. But as I kept creating content, I noticed something. The algorithm doesn't just push what you want to show. It pushes what people need to learn. Because YouTube is a university where people go to learn. And that changed everything for me. And opened my eyes, opened my world of understanding that content creators are not just sharing stories. They are solving problems for millions of people. It's not just about what you want to say. It's about creating content that solves problem. So now I understand that YouTube is not just about expressing yourself, it's about problem solving. YouTube algorithm started directing my content towards what is useful, what is valuable, and what people are actually searching for, and that is powerful. So the earlier you start, the better, because the sooner you begin, the sooner you understand how you can contribute to what people actually need and where your impact truly needed, and you will grow with confidence. Talking about confidence and skills, the skills of confidence. Another thing YouTube will offer you on a platter is the confidence. At the beginning, you may be nervous talking in front of camera, but after consistently showing up, you will become more comfortable speaking clearly and confidently. And now that confidence will show up in everyday life, things you're doing in your community, your job. That's a powerful skill. The skill of discipline and growth is another skill that YouTube will teach you when you start creating content. Showing up consistently for 5 weeks taught me to keep going even when I don't feel like it. But the skills I'm going each time I create a content makes me to keep going. And that's where the growth really happens. Then the moment of realization. This is when it hits me. YouTube is not just a platform, it's a classroom where learning is endless. Every video you create, every mistake you make, every improvement you see are all learning. It's a learning process and it's endless. So if you've been thinking about starting, this is your sign. If you have already started and not doing well, this is your sign to keep learning and grow. If you're already a pro and hearing this from new creator, thank you for your support. Thank you by promoting new content creators. To everyone seeing this, subscribe for more. Comment University of YouTube below if you are starting your journey. And don't forget to subscribe, because this is just episode 1 and all we have to share are coming. And I will be sharing everything I learn along the way. Thank you.